Today we're taking a drive through Tuscany, enjoying the hilltop medieval villages of San Gimignano and Monteriggioni. We are picking up our car rental at the Florence airport. The light rail takes you from the main train station in Florence to the airport. We picked up our car with full insurance and headed straight to the Tuscan countryside. Thanks to Android Auto, my phone, even with 2G data speeds, connected up to the car and allowed us ease of navigation through the rolling hills of Tuscany. Along the way, we stop in Greve in Chianti at Cafe S. Anna for a little breakfast and our morning cafe. Along the way to Monteriggioni, don't forget to use the pull-offs and enjoy the Tuscan countryside. There are plenty of vineyards along the way should you decide you need a little refreshment. Monteriggioni, built between 1214 and 1219, is a small, walled medieval town. Although small in size, Monteriggioni was mentioned in Dante's Divine Comedy in 1320. This fortified hilltop has one road running through it. To the south, Rome, and to the north, Florence. The village's main square is Piazza Roma, where you'll find places to eat and a church with gardens behind it that help to feed the population during sieges. As you casually walk along the cobblestone streets, which there really is only 2 streets, you'll find small places to buy locally made goods. I took a few minutes to capture some background stock images of the highly eroded stone walls. For an extra fee, you can climb to the top of the walls and enjoy the expansive views of the Tuscan countryside. Welcome to San Gimignano. The town of fine towers, as it's known, can date its roots back to 300 years before Christ. This city once had 72 tower houses built by competing families. Today, 14 of them still stand. Entering the outer wall from the south through the Porta San Giove, we are greeted to a picturesque medieval avenue lined with artisan crafts and local eateries. We are in the main town square, Piazza della Cisterna. Definitely wish I'd be spending the night here because when the crowd's clear, when we get into the blue hour, I bet this would be an amazing spot for photography. The architecture here is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Wandering around this village, I can only imagine how beautiful this place would be in the early evening hours with colorful clouds overhead. I am definitely going to be adding this place to my list to come back to. Everywhere you go, everywhere you turn is just simply beautiful architecture. For a fee, you can climb to the top of several of these towers. With a little exploring, you can find some unique images. From the ruins of the castle at the top, more views of the green Tuscan countryside. Even though the main squares are packed with tourists, you can still find quiet places to explore. Now, about that no worry walkway insurance. Get it. Take a look at this road. Let's just say we put a little ding in the front fender, but got to walk away without worrying about paying for it. Next week, we are heading to Sorrento in Italy's legendary Amalfi Coast. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications. The Amalfi Coast is beautiful.